So just come through Macclesfield on the Cat and Fiddle Road, heading towards Buxton, and we've got the first snow of the winter. Is it looking pretty?
It's very atmospheric, it's very misty as well as being snowy. It's
Atmospheric?
really wintry.
There we are, okay, okay. Right, travel down a bit more. Right, so down the Cat and Fiddle Road, and that was really weird. We sort of come out of the fog and the snow went. So our original idea was to come onto our sledging field, and not that much snow, but very eerie, isn't it? Oh, we've got horses in the field. That's new, isn't it? So yeah. So we're just on the approach to Buxton. Yeah, very weird. That was exceptionally weird. Oh, it's okay. Right, and then we've ended up on the wrong road, Sandra, haven't we?
Apparently.
This is, yeah. So we need to go and find the Cat and Fiddle Road, I think. Okay.
See you there.
Right, so come from Buxton and join in the Cat and Fiddle Road. So there on the right is where we normally go sledging. Now what was a strange thing was as we came down the descent coming from Macclesfield, the fog lifted and the snow evaporated away. That was about, what, half an hour ago? So the sun's breaking through the clouds now. Burning off. Right, and then as we're climbing, you'll find it's going to start to get more mistier. And visibility is going to go right down. And then as we get into the envelope of the mist, temperature must be colder and the snow level increases. So it's quite unusual as we passed the Cat and Fiddle, that was heaving with people. It's not normally that busy, and that's because the snow's about up on the tops, not on the lower Macclesfield levels. Visibility, look forward, is not good. There's quite a few cars on the road. I don't know if you can see the cars in front, or somebody's got the brake lights on, but they haven't got the fog lights on. They just turned them on. Oh, can't even see his rear lights anymore now. There is a car there.
Yeah, just turned on. So accidents happen.
Just above freezing, one degree. Road truckers, except we're in a Ford Focus, isn't it, Sandra?
That and there's no ice on the road.
Could be, it's 1 degree. Right, so we've crossed the border into Cheshire.
Cheshire?
Yeah, from Derbyshire.
The Cat and Fiddle still in Cheshire?
Yeah, tier 2. Oh. So we've just been in tier 2, where we've just been in Buxton. So you're sort of on the Derbyshire, Cheshire sort of borders, aren't you?
I really didn't know it came this far.
Is it Macclesfield in Cheshire?
Yeah, I knew that. But the Cat and Fiddle's quite far from Macclesfield.
What's that?
It's still really misty.
So just parked up at the Cat and Fiddle. They're actually open, doing takeaway shop at the Cat and Fiddle. I'm very busy. Now, there we are.
Face mask in the snow.
Oh, you're joking.
Yeah.
Goodness me. Right, it's very mushy, isn't it? No, very, very, very misty. I'm not going to go too far because I don't want to get cold feet. There's nothing worse than cold toes. Obviously there. So
Foggy.
Visibility. So it's not normally this misty up here, to be honest, when it snows. It's quite unusual, isn't it? Cat and Fiddle pub at the back. Right, get back to the car and get warmed up. I think it's going to be a sensible idea. Not going on a big trek.
Or a 10-mile walk.
No, I'm not doing a 10-mile walk. Don't know what's happened to the bus stop sign. It's a bit wobbly. Right, trying not to get my feet wet. Oh, then through. Incredibly busy. That's the Cat and Fiddle pub in front. So we're coming over the Cat and Fiddle Road. We're on our way down now towards Macclesfield.
We're near Teg's Nose.
Yeah, just gone past it, turning to Teg's Nose, haven't we? And
So it's getting less snowing already.
Less snow.
Much less.
And then when we get to the bottom here, the fog will start to lift as well. So visibility's definitely improving. And the snow's all gone, just like that. Oof. How bizarre, isn't it? There you go. We're out the other side now.
Just the last tiny sprinkling.
Raino. Strange to me think Raino. Customers